Hello SafeMoon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. Once again I'm present with another latest update of the SafeMoon. What's the current price of SafeMoon? What's the price change occurring in the SafeMoon? In this video I will share all the updates of the SafeMoon. And you know what my friends, this video is going to be very interesting, very amazing, because in this video we are going to discuss the future of the SafeMoon. What will be the next move of the SafeMoon? And you know what, to a SafeMoon will make you millionaire? Hey SafeMoon will make you rich or not? In this video we are going to discuss. Just keep watch. And remember also my friends, subscribe. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. So subscribe now. My friends, the current price of the SafeMoon at this time in the market is 0.00003 USD dollar. That's the current price of the SafeMoon. Furthermore my friends, if we discuss the price changes, so now my friends, I know that the previous 1 month price change of the SafeMoon is going wrong. Completely the price is going to decrease. Price falls down. So how you can save yourself from loss? My friends, you know what, my personal opinion for all holders, not for only SafeMoon holders, holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. And there's a possibilities to you will get profit in the future if you hold. My friends, at this time the SafeMoon, all holders of the SafeMoon are in the negative or in the loss. So how can they save yourself from loss? Hold. If they hold, so maybe in the next month the price of SafeMoon is going to increase, maybe the price start pumping in the next day. So that's how you can make profit with the SafeMoon. And you can see here my friends, the last 1 week, as I told you my friends already, that the price is going down. Same like that, negative 26.5% the price falls down in the last 7 days. So hope you like this video. You know what my friends, at this time a prediction about SafeMoon is 100% positive. I believe my friends personally that there is no doubt that they will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. If you hold for long term, so that's there is a possibility that they will make you millionaire. Now the price of SafeMoon is very low, so that's why I'm recommending for everyone to buy more and more SafeMoon and hold for long term. If you hold for long term, so they will make you millionaire. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more news and updates videos.